Hey there, I'm Kevin Ward. Welcome to MixCoach on YouTube. Now, in the last 30 years, I have learned a lot of stuff. I've been a musical director, I've been an award-winning producer, a songwriter, a church consultant, a technical director, and a multiple award-winning audio mixer. And good for you, I want to share everything that I know. I would love to help you be a better and more confident mixer. Now, on Tuesdays of every week, you can look for helpful tutorials, mixing tips, and even live interviews with other generous mixers who are my friends to help you become a better mixer and improve your mixing skills. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Comment below and introduce yourself. Let's make your next mix your best mix ever. Hey, thanks for checking us out, and I will see you soon.